To take advantage of the Xbox One's game sharing features, you'll need to log into the main Xbox Live account and the secondary Xbox Live account that you want to share with. This needs to be done on 2 different Xboxes, and you need to set up the My Home Xbox settings for both users on both Xboxes. We will call the person that owns the games they are willing to share Player 1, and the person who wants to receive the games Player 2. First, Player 1 will have to add Player 2's account to their Xbox. To do this, click the Xbox Guide button on the controller. Then go to the far right Profile and System menu. Click Add or Switch. Then click Add New. Then, have Player 2 log into their Xbox Live account. Now that the second account is logged in, you need to change its profile settings so the Xbox Player 1 is currently on becomes Player 2's home Xbox. This is how Player 2 will access Player 1's game library. Click the Xbox Guide button on your controller. Then go to the far right Profile and System menu. Click Settings. On the left, click General, and on the right, click Personalization. Then, at the bottom, click My Home Xbox. Here you'll have the option to make Player 1's Xbox Player 2's home Xbox. To do so, click Make this my home Xbox. Repeat the steps shown before for both Xboxes for both users. You're now sharing your Xbox Gold membership and games with a friend or family member. Now, Player 2 just needs to sign in and play. What other questions do you have about Xbox? Leave a comment below.